hier stattfinden. Ganz herzlichen Dank an euch für die Organisation. Das ist ein Riesenaufwand und wünsche allen den Pilotinnen und Piloten natürlich gute Starts und Landungen, den Besucherinnen aus der ganzen Region viel Freude und uns ein unvergessliches Wochenende hier oben auf der Hahnweide. Ganz herzlichen Dank.
How many planes do you have? 3. Okay.
Okay, good morning. I'm here with Thomas to explain a little bit about my airplane, Oscar Yankee Delta Sierra Bravo. This is a Danish-built airplane built in 1947, built by a company owned by 2 guys called Kramer und Seuten. These guys worked together with various types of products from 1930s up into the 70s. They met each other as a pilot and as a mechanic and decided to build airplanes together. And the first airplane they built was a Kramer und Seuten 1, KZ I. Then they built the 2, 3, and then the 4, and this is number 7. So this airplane actually has a performance a little bit like a modern airplane. So it cruises with about 180 kilometers an hour, nice traveling speed. What is a little bit special about it is its ability, its stall ability. So in Germany it was sold as the Danish stork because of the German stork. It's a nice Junker coming by. So because of the German Fiesler stork, they have some features in common. I don't know who stole what from whom, but what's special about this one, apart from the flaperons, are these slats on the wings. So they will make sure that when you have a high angle of attack, there is still an airflow going over through the wing. So it stalls at a very, very low speed. And if I'm flying and I have a little bit of headwind, I can almost make this stand still in the air, or at least it looks so from the ground. I need a ground run of about 150 meters. I can stop it in 100 and sometimes even less. This airplane was manufactured in 1947 and it was put into storage. It was towards the end of the life of Skandinavisk Aero Industri because after World War II there was a lot of airplanes left over in Europe from the Americans and they had the same roles as this one. So it was a bit difficult to be aircraft manufacturers. This airplane was sold to Switzerland together with 5 other airplanes. And when I bought this airplane about 7 years ago, it was getting a little bit old in the fabric, so I had it remade. And it's put back into the colors it had when it was flying in Switzerland. And my personal use for it is, I live in Denmark, so we have a lot of smaller islands, and I go island hopping on small grass strips. And this is a wonderful way to see the country. And this is my 2nd time in Hahnweide. I really enjoy it here. I love the ambience and the people and a lot of beautiful airplanes. Thank you.
Ja, liebe Zuschauer, der Hauptteil der der Superfliegt ist an. Das Anti-Collision Light blinkt schon und jetzt dreht sich auch der Propeller. Sidofoss, das ist das Triebwerk dieser speziellen T6 an, ein geknüpfter Whitney 1340 mit 1000 Watt, mit 800 PS. Trägerpropeller drauf, die Spannweite wurde verputzt und hier ist 1 Meter pro Seite. Das Gasmanöver ist geändert, die mittlere Lenkwache ist abgefallen. Das Flugzeug hat in die Triebe eingebaut. Das ist möglich macht, einen größeren Trägerpropeller zu montieren. Und die Leistung ist unglaublich an dem Flug. Also fast die Leistung wie ein Jagdflugzeug, wie eine Mustang oder eine Spitfire.